In this episode, I bring to you a recipe of stir-fried tofu with capsicum. Welcome back, friends. In today's recipe, the important thing is to remember to use the firm variety of tofu. Let's start by preparing the tofu by squeezing out the extra water already present in the tofu. Let's cut the tofu into cubes. In order to prepare the tofu into crunchy and flavorful dish, we need to coat this tofu into spices. So taking around 1 cup of corn flour, salt, black pepper powder, red pepper powder, and garam masala. Spread the tofu nicely, and now you can sprinkle the corn flour mix. After we are done with the cubes, it's nicely coated. Now it's time to deep fry them. In the meantime, I'm preparing a Thai paste for this dish. So these are dry red chilies. You have to soak them in sufficient water and boil it. So today I am making this Thai paste. I am not using the full portion of the paste. I will be storing this paste for future use because most of the Thai dishes, they require this Thai paste. It's hot. Now we can fry these cubes. Our cubes are looking perfect golden. With 1 kg of tofu, we'll have to fry 2 batches of the tofu cubes. I need to take out the cubes. Our second batch of tofu is also ready. Look get this fried tofu cube. Moving on to the preparation for the Thai paste, I'm taking one big size onion and a few cloves of garlic, ginger. I chopped ginger, garlic and onion. So adding the ginger into the boiled chili, rest we have to deep fry. Fry these until they are golden brown in color. They are perfectly fried. You can see there is still oil left in this onions and garlics. So squeeze it with the help of the kitchen towel. Now time to blend the Thai paste. 2 tomatoes. Add salt, 2 teaspoons, little bit of black pepper. The paste is ready, and this you can store it in a glass jar in your refrigerator for about 2 months. So I will be using around 1 cup of this paste for today's recipe, and the rest of the paste I will be using for fried rice, for Manchurians, for momos chutney and many more recipes. In the same pan in which we fried the tofu and onions, there is still some oil left, so I will be using this oil only. So goes in oregano, around half teaspoon, paste, sugar 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, dark soya sauce, and the corn flour which was left. One cup of water. The sauce is quite thick now. Now we can add the capsicum. Around 2 big capsicums. And cover this until the capsicum is tender. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Let's check the capsicum and add the tofu. It's cooked now. Look at this. Take this off now. It's done now. I have cooked jeera rice to serve with this dish today. Stir-fried tofu with capsicum with jeera rice looks so delicious. Let's try it. The texture of the tofu is just awesome. It's chewy, and the coating of all the spices is coming out really nice. So do try this recipe and tell me your views in the comments box below.